And this is what your Windows 10 look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get that macOS look on your Windows 10 computer. I'll show you step by step how to install this theme and how to install this menu bar and how to install this icon pack as well. So let's dive into the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to get that macOS look on your Windows 10 computer. So I already installed the dock. If you don't know how to install this dock, and if you want to install this dock as well, so just check out my previous video or check the pin comments for the video link. So let's start. First you have to create a restore point. Click on search and then type create, and then you have to select the create restore point and then select a C drive, then click on create and give it a name and then click on create. So it will create a restore point. If anything goes wrong, you can revert your system using this restore point. Restore point has been created. Now we need to ready our system for using any custom theme. So we're going to use this tool called SecurX theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on extract files and then click on OK. All links are given in the description box or check pin comments. And then cut this folder and go to your C drive and paste it here. Okay, then again open the C drive and right click on this theme tool and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. And now you have to select these two boxes and then click on install. So it will require reboot. I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. Okay, now you have to apply the theme. Unzip these theme files and then copy these theme files. Click on C drive and then go to Windows folder and find resources folder, go to themes directory and paste it here and then click on continue. Okay, then go to your C drive again and open SecurX theme tool. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, then in here you have to select the macOS classic theme and then click on apply. So it will apply the theme. Okay, so theme has been applied. Now we have to install the icon pack. To install the icon pack, we need to use this tool called 7tsp. Just right click on it and extract files and then click on OK. And then open this folder and you need to rename it. Rename it ee2exe and then click on yes. Okay, then unzip this macOS icon pack folder, right click on it and then click on extract files and then click on OK. And we need to rename it as well. Just right click on it and then click on rename and remove this remove text. Okay, then you have to open this 7tsp. Just right click on it and then click on run as administrator and then click on yes. And then click on add custom pack and select your desktop and select the icon pack and then click on start and then click on yes. So it will take some time to complete the installation process. I'll be right back after completing the installation process. Okay, icon pack installation has been complete. Just click on yes to restart your computer. Okay, icon pack has been installed. Now we have to install another tool called Old New Explorer. Just right click on it and extract files and cut this folder and paste it into C drive. Okay, then open this folder and then right click on this Old New Explorer and click on run as administrator and then click on yes. Okay, then check these three boxes and click on install and then click on close. Okay, for the menu bar you can use this rain meter skin. So if you have a very low end PC, then you can skip this step cause rain meter and Nexus dock can consume some resources. So let me install it and then click on OK and then click on install and then click on yes and then click on finish. Here is some default skin. Just right click on it and then unload these skins and install this rain meter skin and then click on install. And for the minimalist look, just hide the taskbar and this is it. This is you can give your Windows 10 a macOS look. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next customization video.